It is time for something the light round. Much more of gold going saving this stock. So bye bye. Something much different. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Skeet? That's the light round. Let's start with Brendan in New Jersey. Brendan.
Hey, Jim. So I just heard about this company. I have no idea what it does, and I think I should go all in. Upstart, what does it do, and should I go all in?
Well, I'd say that's a good way to start. I mean, I'd do a little more homework maybe than just that. But, okay, this is a bank holding company. It uses artificial intelligence, and I've got to tell you, I don't like it. There are so many good banks. Why not buy JP Morgan at a discount? I think that when you look at Upstart versus JP Morgan, I have to tell you, my stunning conclusion, given the fact that you don't know all that much about it, is that JP Morgan's a better bank than Upstart. Who knows? Let's go to Harry in New York. Harry.
Mr. Cramer, a proud alumnus of the U.S. Naval Academy, class of '88.
Wow. Thank you for serving, and I wish that, I wish we'd go down there for Veterans Day. How can I help?
I would love to know your thoughts on a California-based pharmaceutical company. They develop medication for chronic viral infections, and they have a product, Neffy, N-E-F-F-Y, seeking FDA approval. Stock mid-January was just over $6. By the end of March, it was $10.22, and now it's been tumbling down to $8.21.
Well, let's say, I got to tell you, these stocks that do, people are not going to like this, but anything that does immuno, I've got to tell you, I am four square behind. And I know that this is a speculative stock, but this is what we need more pharma companies to do. So I salute you, and I salute that company. Now we're going to Charles in Illinois. Charles.
Good afternoon, Jim. I value your opinion. So can you tell me if I should buy more, hold what I have, or sell my shares in SGH, Smart Global Holdings?
You know, this company missed its quarter by an element that was so big that I cannot count as recommending it. I can only count as selling it. Yeah, I'm not kidding. I think it's that bad. Let's go to Donnie in Illinois. Don.
Hello, Jim.
Hey, Don.
Within the last week or two, you've spoken well of Enbridge, and as an 80-year-old, I've been looking at it, and everything seemed good, but there was some analyst who expressed a concern, and that's the term they used, about its ability to maintain its dividend and service its debt.
See, I just don't see that. I mean, I've gone over the cash flows multiple times. We've spoken to the company multiple times. I think it does have the cash flows. Now, that is just, you could say, Jim, Enbridge has bagged you before, but it hasn't. And I think Greg Ebel's a good operator. I'm not going against Enbridge here. I'm just not. Let's go to David in New York. David. Go ahead, David. You're up. David? Wow, David seems to have... David, there you are. How you doing?
I'm doing fine, Jim. Thank you. Really enjoying your show.
Thank you.
At current valuations, should one be adding to Medtronic's position?
You know, I am shocked that Medtronic's all the way back down to 80 again. We had Jeff Martha on the show. I think he tells a great story. By the way, a lot of companies that are doing that colonoscopy do have AI. I know he said he's got AI and the only one. I do have now done enough work to know that the others do too. But that doesn't make Medtronic less attractive. It has many different wheels, lots of good devices that are working. Devices have been down for a couple days, but I think they'll start going up again. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Coming up, what's to be done with Tesla and Apple? Two stocks under siege. Two companies with much different outlooks. Stick with Cramer. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.